Happy Thursday, everybody. Welcome to another edition of the Are On Sales channel. It's Thursday, also better known for those of you who enjoy a drink like myself, whether it would be alcoholic, non-alcoholic, or soft drinks, whatever you prefer, as Thirsty Thursday. Another demonstrative pour and review on a perfect draft keg. This week's perfect draft keg is a French style of IPA called Ninkasi French IPA, and it's 5.4% by volume. So, first things first, pick up a piece of glassware. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any Ninkasi brewery glassware, but instead I have got an alternative glass, which is one of my perfect draft glasses that has featured in my videos before. I shall use this. So, first thing, pour a bit out first, just to wet the glass and stop any residue from erupting when you pour in your first pint. In that way then you get less foam and you have a less lively pint. And now comes the all important part of the video. That's better. Bring the camera a bit closer there. Tilt your glass at a 45-degree angle, just like I done in the last video. I'm going to tilt my glass at a 45-degree angle, but with a difference. I will be doing it sideways instead of in front of me. This way, it stops it from frothing too much. Here we go, 45-degree angle, sideways, straight down. That is bang on perfect. Just a moment. One of my coasters to place my pint glass on, to try it out. Look at that. I must say, there's no carbonation in this IPA, but the colour of this is very pale, I must say, with a nice slight amber to bronze, between amber and bronze style of colour, and a lovely, lovely head too over the top. Now we smell the aroma. This is very malty. Quite biscuity. I can detect a biscuity aroma. Slight hints of buttery toffee overtones, very similar to a Velin Vol Double Dragon. The biscuity aromas I'm getting out of this reminds me of malted milk biscuits when you're dunking them in a cup of tea or coffee. Now we come to the all-important part, the taste test. Cheers. Iechyd da, good health. The taste, in my opinion, is so incredibly malty, with a nice backbone of caramel on my taste buds and a slight hint of toffee. Very, very nice, but incredibly malty. Pop that down there. We now come to the part of the video where I think what the perfect food pairings would be to accompany this IPA. Being as it's a French style of IPA, I think this would pair very nicely with its appearance in colour and by the taste. This would go very nicely with French onion soup as a starter. This would also pair nicely, I think, in my opinion, with coq au vin, which is a French style of chicken dish that consists of onions, mushrooms, and all the trimmings in a red wine infused style of jus gravy sauce, like a French style of casserole, that is. And I think, in my opinion, this would also pair very nicely with snails, another classic French dish coated in garlic butter. Some lovely food pairings there. Now we come to the final part, and that is the rating. I am going to give this French IPA a 9 out of 10. This is a very good IPA, I must say. Thank you for watching. Please tune in again to my next video soon. Take care. Hwyl fawr. Nos da. Good night and goodbye.